Struggling with dark spots and acne scars? Here's how to fix them. Imagine waking up every day feeling frustrated by stubborn dark patches or persistent acne scars that just won't fade, no matter what you try. You're not alone. Millions of people face these skin challenges, often without understanding what's causing them or how to fix them. What if I told you there are surprising triggers hiding in plain sight, like your favorite skincare products or even the light from your phone screen? In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets behind melasma and acne, the science, the myths, and the most effective treatments that actually work. Whether it's breaking free from the mask of pregnancy or finally tackling those lingering blemishes, we'll guide you step by step to clearer, healthier skin. Part 1. Understanding melasma. 1. What is melasma? Melasma is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's a skin condition that affects millions, causing brown or grayish patches on the skin, often appearing on the most noticeable areas like the face, arms, and other sun-exposed parts. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing uneven skin tone that won't fade no matter what you try. That's the daily reality for those living with melasma. 2. Why it's called the mask of pregnancy. Melasma isn't called the mask of pregnancy without reason. For many women, it's a direct result of hormonal shifts during pregnancy, particularly in the second and third trimesters. Elevated levels of estrogen, progesterone, and melanocyte-stimulating hormones can trigger the overproduction of melanin, leading to those unmistakable dark patches on the forehead, cheeks, and above the upper lip. Pregnant women aren't alone. Melasma is also common in those taking hormonal contraceptives or undergoing hormone replacement therapy. In fact, 15 to 50% of pregnant women and up to 33% of the general population are affected by melasma, making it one of the most widespread pigmentation disorders. The good news? For many women, melasma tends to improve after pregnancy when hormone levels stabilize. However, for others, the condition may linger, requiring consistent management. Understanding the hormonal connection is key to preventing and treating this condition effectively. 3. Hidden triggers of melasma. While we know UV light from the sun is a key culprit, many are unaware that visible light and even indoor lighting can also exacerbate melasma. That means the light streaming through your windows or the glow of your phone and computer screen could be silently making those dark patches worse. But that's not all. Scented soaps, cosmetics, and skincare products can trigger inflammation, making melasma even harder to manage. Additionally, certain medications like birth control pills or anti-seizure drugs can cause hormonal changes that spark pigment overproduction. Part 2. Understanding acne and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. 1. What causes acne? Acne is one of the most common skin conditions worldwide, but what exactly causes those frustrating breakouts? It all starts with clogged pores, often due to excess oil, sebum production, and dead skin cells that trap dirt and bacteria. Once trapped, bacteria like Cutibacterium acnes thrive, leading to inflammation and the telltale redness and swelling of pimples. Acne comes in several forms, including blackheads, open clogged pores with oxidized oil, giving a dark appearance. Whiteheads, closed clogged pores that form small white bumps. Cystic acne, deep, painful and inflamed lesions that can leave scars. 2. Common triggers for acne. Acne is often triggered by a combination of internal and external factors. Hormonal changes, puberty, increased androgen levels boost sebum production. Pregnancy, hormonal fluctuations can cause or worsen acne. Stress, cortisol, the stress hormone, can stimulate oil glands and worsen breakouts. Dietary triggers. High sugar foods and dairy products may spike insulin levels, increasing sebum production and inflammation. Processed foods can exacerbate breakouts in some individuals. Skincare mistakes. Over-cleansing strips the skin of natural oils, causing it to produce more sebum. Using comedogenic products that clog pores, worsens acne. Neglecting sunscreen can aggravate PIH caused by acne. Understanding these triggers is the first step in preventing and managing acne effectively. 3. Effective acne treatments. When it comes to treating acne, a multifaceted approach tailored to your skin type and severity is key. Oral medications, antibiotics reduce inflammation and bacterial growth for moderate to severe acne. Hormonal treatments, spironolactone blocks androgen activity, reducing oil production. Oral contraceptives regulate hormones to prevent acne in women. Advanced therapies. Chemical peels. Use acids like glycolic or salicylic to exfoliate and treat both active acne and PIH. Laser treatments reduce acne scars and hyperpigmentation by targeting deeper skin layers. Microneedling stimulates collagen production, improving skin texture and fading scars. Each of these treatments has its pros and cons, so consulting a dermatologist is essential to finding what works best for your skin. With the right combination, you can effectively manage acne and minimize its lasting effects. 4th, creative acne skincare hacks. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser, followed by a gentle water-based cleanser to prevent pore buildup. Non-comedogenic sunscreen. Protect skin from UV rays with lightweight, non-pore clogging formulas. Look for zinc oxide or niacinamide. DIY masks. Try soothing honey, oatmeal, or aloe vera masks to reduce inflammation and calm irritated skin. 5. Prevention and lifestyle tips for healthy skin. For melasma, use broad-spectrum SPF 30 to 50 sunscreen daily, wear protective clothing, and avoid tanning beds and LED screens. For acne, maintain a gentle skincare routine, eat a balanced diet rich in vitamin D and omega-3s, and reduce stress with mindfulness or yoga. Melasma and acne are manageable. With simple skincare hacks, prevention tips, and consistent care, you can achieve healthier skin. Like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. And don't miss our next video on the ultimate nighttime skincare routine.